Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make all of your YouTube videos unlisted at once. This is useful if you have a lot of videos and want to keep them private, but still allow access to those with the link. People won't be able to find the videos in search results or on your channel page unless they have the link. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube Studio and select the Content button on the left panel. Then, sort your videos by visibility at the top. Click on the little icon next to Public to select Visibility, and choose Public. Next, click on the Select All checkbox to select all the videos on your channel, not just the ones on the current page. After that, click on the Edit button and select Visibility. In the drop-down, choose Unlisted. Finally, click Update Videos to save your changes, and all of your videos will be unlisted. That's it. A pretty straightforward process. Thanks for watching, and I hope I was able to help. I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial.